We can, look for, funding from the local government, for example, the regional government, from private institutions, but we have rules which do not allow to set tuition freely. In public universities, which are the vast majority of universities in Italy, students' tuition cannot exceed 20% of the budget which is transferred by the state. So the amount of the tuition cannot exceed that proportion. For example, to attend a law school in Italy, you would pay yearly tuition which can be maximum 2,000 euros a year, but which is reduced, significantly reduced, according to your income, and can go down to 200 euros a year, for example. But from the university point of view, this is a very serious constraint, because the budget that we receive from the state set a limit also on the amount of the tuition that we can charge to the students. And so these very reduced flexibility in the way we can gather resources creates limits also on the turnover of professors, on the recruitment process, and this became something very serious in recent years, because we do not manage, for example, to replace the professors who retired. We don't manage anymore to have the same number of professors that we used to have. How is decided the amount of money that we receive from the state? We have different parameters. I would like to stress, because this is something positive, that in recent years we have gone through a process of fine-tuning of these parameters. And so there is something we can do as law faculties and as universities to increase this budget that we receive from the state, because we are considered for the quality of research, we are considered for the quality of didactics, we are considered for the international programs that we offer to the students and for the international relations that we have. Concerning the curricula, we have experienced in the law school the Bologna process, moving first to a 3 + 2 years program, but then in the last 4 years we went back to one cycle of 5 years. So today the basic law curriculum is a 5 years program. Within this program we have something new. We have English as a requirement. In some faculties, like in Florence, for example, we offer some law courses in English. And we have stages, training stages, with law firms, as a component of the student curriculum. So it's about 250 hours of training, at law firms or other places where they can receive a practical view of law in action. Legal profession, just to finish my speech. First of all, there is a problem of relation with other professions different than the legal ones. Law courses are offered in many other faculties of universities. In recent years, the number of law courses offered by other faculties are increasing very much. The medicine school, School of Medicine, engineering, political science, economics, education, all of them, they provide some component of legal education. So for law school, one of the problems is how to provide this teaching for other faculties. Are we just lending personnel to provide these courses? Do we need a specific different competence to teach in other faculties? So this is one main problem. Relation with traditional legal professions. We have developed in recent years new ways of relating to the bar exam. As in Florence, for example, we have tried to establish a strong, trustful relation with the Bar Association. We have tried to establish an institutional, permanent contact with the Bar Association, and we have tried to coordinate the offer of courses after graduation, after the degree. I mean, providing our highly specialized courses for the continuing education of lawyers, and on the other way, participating to the courses for continuing education which are offered by the Bar Association. So these joint venture require a very detailed planning of the activity between the faculty and the Bar Association. We do it twice a year, so we try to find the right topics together with the Bar Association on which we offer our postgraduate specific offer. Just the very last minute, I would like to dedicate this last minute to the fact, to a consideration concerning the fact that the bridge to legal profession is not only an opportunity for our students, is not only a way to gather resources in some way, but it's also, or should be, a fundamental component of our understanding of the living law. Today, the very center of the legal process, of the legal experience, is in practice, I think. So also from a theoretical point of view, we can understand the actual dimension of law only with these, very close contact with legal profession. And I think that our times offer incredible opportunities for a new way of understanding the law through the contact with legal profession. So I think my time elapsed.
Thank you very much, Professor, for this broad view and very useful view on the Italian system of legal education.